Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be making a chicken burger.
We also made a pizza, and it
was pretty good.
Sir.
Okay, now so we have the two burger buns, which we made a little bit warm because we don't want it too cold. And here we have the already ready chicken patties, I think. Yeah, that's the name. Okay, so we have two knives to spread the ketchup and mayonnaise. And we have one spoon to scoop out the mayonnaise. Because you see it's like a bottle. Okay, we're gonna make it on this cutting board, but we're gonna use it as a cooking
When we're done making it, should we cut it like half?
No, this is for spreading them, not for cutting them. Okay, so first we put the chicken patties. Ow, it's hot actually.
Wait, how?
Hold from that side.
That's hot. Guys, you also remember this was also from the last video unboxing T-Rex, I guess.
Yeah, and here this we got from like a shop. I don't really remember the name.
Bumpalsaurus. It's a Bumpalsaurus.
Oh no, we just named it that because we don't actually know the real name. And this we call the Spilosaurus, and this we call
that's like the Indoraptor.
The Indoraptor, I don't think it's like. Okay, you know what? Let's just
call it the Indoraptor.
Fine. Okay, you can't eat the chicken patty. We're supposed to put it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it here.
Let me do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Come on. Okay, then
don't break the meat.
Did we put the lettuce first or that? Okay. I think we first put the lettuce. No, definitely the tomatoes. 2 tomatoes in each burger. Okay, give me my tomatoes. Okay, hey, small boy.
I'm 1,000-year-old boy. I'm 1,000-year-old.
If you're 1,000-year-old, then you would be dead by now.
Wait, how?
Okay.
Why?
And you put the lettuce now. I want to put here. Get the lettuce from here. Move the toys.
I need a tissue. Can you give me one?
Everyone's hands gets dirty when we make something. Take when we were making the pizza, for example. So I think that's enough lettuce because I don't want it like too much. No, the lettuce goes on top of the tomatoes.
Oh, right. I'm actually going to change it.
We've seen our mom do this. How can you not do it?
That actually looks like leaves.
They're lettuce, okay? Wait, oh God, we forgot to put the ketchup and mayonnaise. We need to redo everything.
So let's break the burger.
Dude, no, don't put the lettuce away. Just do like this, so we don't have to like do something. These are yours. That's mine. Okay, now we get the ketchup and mayonnaise.
Okay, I'm gonna put the ketchup first. How do we just get?
You'll put the mayonnaise. You want just do it. Okay. Oh God.
I definitely need it.
Wait, no. This is how you open it.
Oh,
squeeze it.
Okay. What the heck? I have to squeeze it on this one?
No, this. Okay. Whoa. That's way too much. Spread it out. Okay. Wait, no. Don't spread it right now. We're going to spread it together. So I'm gonna.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, you also need the mayonnaise.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
put my mayonnaise.
I'm gonna have to get the tissue.
Oh, God.
Okay, keep it right over here.
Dude, we're filling this part of the table and that is literally empty. Look at it.
Dong.
Empty.
Wait, we can put our dinosaurs. We can put our dinosaurs.
Monstrosity.
Monstrosities.
I'm gonna use my finger.
Godzilla.
I really like it. Oh, we forgot the cheese. We need 2 of these cheeses. We don't really have mozzarella cheese, so we're gonna use this. Okay. Smush. I never tasted it before, so this is going to be interesting.
You definitely taste it. This actually looks
in
like
the pizza when it was cooked, but I never ate it with it when it was. Wait, we're gonna put the cheese on the burger last.
Yeah, this actually looks like a pizza.
Pizza slices. Okay, you know what? That space is empty. We're putting this here and not filling this much. Okay, now here, you put your mayonnaise.
I don't know how to put mayonnaise on.
You just scoop it from inside and then spread it like me. Okay. Okay, you're gonna take some of this. Whoa. Okay. You use the knife to spread it.
How do we? I'm getting it off. Don't kill me. I like it. Actually, I don't like it. Okay.
You like to get yourself killed.
I actually wish that was a giantest T-Rex in Jurassic World. Let's actually not talk about Jurassic World.
Because we don't know if anyone watching knows that.
All the dinosaurs were girls, right?
We're making a video, dude.
But stop speaking. Actually, when we're done the video, I'm actually gonna speak about Jurassic World.
No, look at that. I got some ketchup and mayonnaise here.
Okay, so
Dude, look at my brothers. Dude, I spread it evenly, and you're just. What's wrong here? It's like a little
poopy. Actually, no, not color.
popsicle.
Popsicle? Wait, what? Oh. Stupid.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? You're gonna put it on. Stop.
Yeah, I think we're done. Just put it there.
Eat it, my guardian.
That's a
Eat it.
butter knife, so it's harmless.
Butter knife. I'm gonna kill myself.
You know you didn't actually kill yourself. So
Actually,
here you go.
I'm just healing. Okay, the cheese.
Wait. Yeah, we need to put the cheese right now.
Okay,
I think we did it from here.
I hate it.
Wait, we don't know how it would taste in the burger, so we're gonna show how our reactions is to the viewers, and then they'll know if we like it or not like it.
How do we just put it? Do we like put it like this and then put the lettuce on top of it? Should I actually break the?
Dude, oh god.
That was tasty.
Like break it with your fingers. I know. Did you try it?
No, I did not. See? Oh, we have to break it.
Oh, this is so disgusting. I'm ruining my fingers. Oh, dude.
It's actually amazing.
I'm gonna just squish it.
Oh, I'm gonna use the knife.
Eat it. Dude, oh god, I'm ruining the knife. Look at my fingers. The fingers are like, help me. My blood and mayonnaise are stuck. No, that's... What?
Bud? Ew, do not eat bud.
You... I'm speechless.
What the heck? Ew. No, this is not.
It's actually not bad.
It's actually take-outable.
You know, I'm just gonna keep my fingers ready. Because I'm a waste of time.
Waste of time? What's the waste of time? Like you waste your time?
You're 6.5.
I'm gonna put
the top burger bun. Woo! I'm done.
How do you
Oh god, guys, it looks like so big. I don't think I did it properly.
Okay, now let's put it right over here.
Look at my brother, his
Enderman. There's actually an Enderman dragon. Enderman Lego.
Yeah, okay. Put on. Now we're gonna put it here because, you know, we're fancy.
We're fancy. This one is so big. And
Dude, so much trash on the table. I'm gonna keep the trash off the cheese.
I'm gonna add this to
Here we go.
It's
my
actually
burger and my brother's burger. Which one do you like more?
the sisters of the Guardians.
You just stop adding every single word with Guardians in it. Guardian. I'm gonna say this at the end of the video. Got it. Nope, it's not the end of the video. You wanted to do. Wait, we're gonna show these. Oh god. Wait, first let's move the. Wait, we're going to eat it. So first let's eat it. Only one bite of it, so the viewers can see our reaction. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. It's so big.
Thumbs up for this because it tastes good.
A good go. My mouth is full of food. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do you want to show these?
Yeah.
No. You can just look by yourself every single detail of it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and and like, goodbye.
Say goodbye to the burger and the toys and all of the ingredients.